Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 3, Module 3, Lesson 7 homework. So let's get started. Use the RDW process to solve the problems below. Use a letter to represent the unknown in each problem. So remember what RDW means: read, draw, write. So we read the problem, we draw it out, and we write a number sentence and we respond to the question. So, number 1, Jerry pours 86 milliliters of water into 8 tiny beakers. He measures an equal amount of water into the first 7 beakers. He pours the remaining water into the 8th beaker. It measures 16 milliliters. So how many milliliters of water are in each of the first 7 beakers? Alright. So do a long tape diagram. Okay. So here we have the 8 beakers, and the 8th one has 16 milliliters. Now, we know that the total amount of water is 86. So 86 total minus 16 is 70. So that's how much is in the total 7 beakers. So I'm going to do E for each. In each of the beakers, it would be 70 divided by 7, which would give us 10. So that means E equals 10. So each of these beakers carry 10 milliliters of water, except the last one. So that means in the first 7 beakers, there are 10 milliliters of water. Alright, number 2. Mr. Chava's 3rd graders go to gym class at 11:15. Students rotate through 3 activities for 8 minutes each. Lunch begins at 12 o'clock. How many minutes are there between the end of gym class activities and the beginning of lunch? So I'm going to draw kind of like a timeline. So first at 11:15, they go to gym class. And we have, I'll do A1 for activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, until it's finally 12 o'clock. So how many minutes are there between the end of gym activities and lunch? So kind of here. Well, first, let's find out how much the activities all take. Each activity is 8 minutes. So we T for total amount of time is 8 times 3. So T is 24. That means that's the total time it takes for all the gym activities to happen. But we don't start at 11, we start at 11:15. So what time do we end the gym activities? Well, we can do 11:15 plus 24, which is 39. That means ends at 11:39, somewhere here. But how much until 12? Well, how much until the next hour, basically. So we'll say B for between 60, because that's the next hour, minus 39 is 21. So that means B equals 21. So there are 21 minutes between the end of gym and lunch. Alright, number 3, a box contains 100 pens. In each box there are 38 black pens and 42 blue pens. The rest are green pens. Mr. Kane buys 6 boxes of pens. How many green pens does he have in total? Alright, so let's see. The total is 100 pens in each box. So there's 38 black pens, 42 blue pens. So how many green pens are there? Well, first there's 38 plus 42, which is 80 black and blue pens. Now the rest are green pens, so R for rest is 100 minus 80, which is 20. So the rest is 20 that are green pens. Now Mr. Kane buys a box of 6 pens. How many green pens does he have in total? Well, we don't really care about the black and blue pens right now. We're only calculating the amount of green pens. And if each box has 20 green pens, then if he buys 6 boxes, they would all have 20 green pens. So let's see, G equals 20 times 6. So G equals 2 times 6 is 12. Add a 0 at the end. I mean, he has 120 green pens in total. Alright, next page. Number 4, Greg has $56. Tom has $17 more than Greg. Jason has $8 less than Tom. Alright, so how much money does Jason have? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw 3 tape diagrams, 1 for each of them. So first, G for Greg. He has $56. And Tom, well, Tom also has 56, but Tom also has $17 more. So 56, add on that 17. That's how much Tom has. And Jason has $8 less than Tom. So $8 less. How much money does Jason have? Well, first we have to find out how much Tom has. Tom is 56 plus 17. So Tom has $73. And Jason is $8 less than Tom. So Jason is 65. That means Jason has $65. Alright, and B, how much do the 3 boys have in total? Well, total is the total amount of money they all have. So Greg has 56, Tom has 73, Jason has 65, then T would be 56 plus 73 plus 65, which is 194. So the 3 boys have $194 in total. Alright. And number 5. Laura cuts 64 inches of ribbon into 2 equal parts and gives her mom 1 part. Laura's part is 28 inches long. Her mom cuts her ribbon into 6 pieces. How long is one of her mom's pieces of ribbon? Alright, so actually the pieces are not equal. That means the total is 64 inches. But Laura's part is 28, which means the rest is her mom's. So her mom has 64 minus 28. Her mom has 36 inches. Alright, but if her mom divided her ribbon into 6 equal pieces, let's see. Total is 36. So in each piece is 36 divided by 6, which is 6. That means each piece of her mom's ribbon is 6 inches. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!